people, how are you doing? Hope you are doing fantastic. My good name is Winnie and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe down below, and if you are my returning subscriber, thank you so much. I really appreciate you for coming back to watch my videos. I don't take you guys for granted. We are at 479 subscribers, guys. Road to 500 subscribers. 500 subscribers. Watu wangapi wamebaki? Is it 19? 19 or 29? 19. 21. Imagine just 21 people. 21 people remaining so that to get 500 subscribers, guys. Just imagine. And yeah, I'm so happy, and I know that nitafika huko, we will reach there before my birthday. My birthday is in July, so it can be a very nice birthday gift to me. So kindly, if you're watching me and you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you're new here, you can also subscribe. If you've been with me from the very first day, you can also subscribe. And you haven't subscribed, subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Then I'm your plug. Okay, you can just DM me, you can like, subscribe. Your red button, that red button written subscribe. If it's red, meaning you haven't subscribed. If it's gray, then you have subscribed. But if it's red, you haven't subscribed. Kindly hit that red button so that you can subscribe, and also click onto your bell, that bell, so that each time I upload another video, a new video, you'll be the first one to get notified, guys. Okay, yeah, so let's get to the video. Like this video, like, and please, guys, take me to 500 subscribers. Tell your friends to subscribe, tell your family members to subscribe, so that tufike 500,000, alafu tufike 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, the goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers, but for now, acha tufike 500. Okay, guys, thank you so much, and let's get to the video. So guys, these are the ingredients. We have omena, we have ginger, we have coriander, we have onion, we have salt. We have coriander leaves, we have 2 tomatoes, we have onions, we have hoho, we have 1 Royco cube, and we have milk. And we have garlic powder. Yeah, so guys, let's get to the video. Don't forget to like, guys. Like this video, like, and also don't forget to comment. Tell me if you've ever tasted omena, kama ushaikula omena. Tell me how you make yours. This is a new recipe. I've never cooked it this way. It's my first time. I normally wash the omenas, but for today I'm just going to boil them. Okay, I'm not going to wash, I'm going to boil. Instead of just washing with hot water, I'm just going to boil them, then I wash with cold water. Okay, so let's do this. Hey guys, so our meal is ready. Omena is ready. Tatuanje. We feel it. Just giving it out. It's so sweet. Guys, it is so sweet, and the fact that the omena is so soft. Go and try it guys, and tell me in the comment section venye imekuwa kozi yangu. It's perfect, it's delicious. Oh my goodness. And the good part is mtoto pia anaweza kula. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to share. Tell me what you think on the comment section guys. Bye bye, see you on my next video.